Memory Technology Middle East FZCO has been established, in fact, in 1998, more than 20 years ago. We were the first company to bring the memory solution. Micron, Samsung, Toshiba, Hynix, all major manufacturers to the Middle East market. And we have offices in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah, Riyadh, also Dubai. Of course, Dubai has been big support for us. That we have our headquarters here in Dubai, our warehouse, our own manufacturing assembly in Jebel Ali.
Hi, my name is Rafi. I'm in charge of warehouse and production in MTC. We have a facility here for printing and assembling and packaging, starting from laser till hot sealing packing machine.
Our team, our biggest assets. So people are very trustworthy, very expert in the market, very expert in their field, and this is the value that we keep enhancing their expertise, and we keep working with them to enhance their expertise in the market. My first customer was His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. He was looking for the latest technology, and he heard about our USB drive. We were the first one to introduce it. He sent someone to collect the USB drive. I still have a copy of his check paying to us. It's amazing story that I love always to share with my customers and my friends.